Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to Kovac Enterprises. We are into episode number 2 of the Revell's BK-117 Airbus. As you can see, we made a little bit more progress from the previous video. This represents the in the instructions the steps 9 through 18 at this point. So without further ado, let's just kind of rotate this around and give you like a little 360. Now we went ahead and installed the interior of the cockpit, as well as gluing together the two half pieces of the fuselage and all the other components on the exterior of the main part of the helicopter itself, with the rotor part assembly that you can see here on top. And we also installed all the windows complete, including the top windows, the underbelly type of windows up towards the front of the cockpit, and the windshield. And we'll just kind of do a quick little turnaround as we're speaking. And if you noticed, we applied some new paint. We actually used some masking tape. What I basically used was this right here, the Tamiya masking tape. This is the actual 6mm width for that. And we'll go ahead and get a closer look at it right here. This is pretty much representing the, like I said before, the Tampa General Hospital here in Florida. Their helicopter as far as the color scheme is concerned. So so far we've got the lower section here, because it does come in kind of a blue gold theme on the on their helicopter. So you can see we actually hand painted this on the underbelly side, and once painted we did apply the future to kind of seal the paint in. But you can see here we got the there's the windshield there for both the top portion, and then there's the windshield there in front. And it's kind of hard to see, but we do have the two underside windows in place, as stated before. So that is the completion of that particular step in the process. Go ahead and kind of move this off to the side. Yeah. And then, of course, part of the instruction steps was gluing together the two halves of the tail end of it with the bar that kind of goes across. Again, relying on some of the pictures showing the different colors on the aircraft helicopter itself. I'll be doing a little bit of touch up afterwards. So there's that. And then of course we have some of the other components that make up the tail itself. We went ahead and, I know it's kind of hard to see there, but what I used basically is I also hand painted the glue, or sorry, not glue, but the paint on the fins of the tail. I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm going to come back and try to use like a red magic marker fine point. I know it's kind of hard to see, but we kind of represents the heartbeat in EKG that was actually painted on the helicopter itself. So I was trying to duplicate that. Just do a little bit more touch up, but that's basically where we're at right there for that. And so once again, this is kind of where we're at. We're, like I said before, we're all the way through step 18 in the instructions itself, and there you are. So I hope everybody had a good holidays with Christmas and New Year's, and we will be going forward with this in our next episode. So until then, I hope everybody has a good day, and we will catch you on the next installment of the upcoming video and the progress of the BK-117 Airbus helicopter. So until then, have a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye.